everybody, welcome back to my channel, and yes, I'm bringing you guys my Walgreens haul. Walgreens is a slow week this week for couponing. I mean, we've had some awesome deals going on for the last couple weeks. You guys can still do the first aid deal. My store was just had a lot of stuff that was missing, and I'm just like, I got enough unless I want to really gain some points. But I know some people are going crazy over that stuff, which is, if you're going crazy, go crazy, I guess. So I'm here to show you guys what I got at Walgreens. I have my little clipboard here with all my breakdowns. I actually went a couple hours ago, but husband and I had to go grocery shopping and do some things, and that stuff comes first than me doing videos sometimes. So I ended up getting, the first deal I ended up doing is I went crazy over the, how is this stuck on Velcro? I ended up going crazy over the Hershey Gold bars. Now I had those coupons. I cannot remember who sent them to me. I'm sorry. I think it was Bryn. Sorry. She sent me some coupons for $1 off of 2 of the Hershey Golds. Now those coupons I think do expire the 2nd. So if you guys are gonna do this deal, I had 4 of those coupons. I ended up giving them all 4 of these coupons. Now I did not pay with my employee discount with these because I can't do overage. So I got these absolutely free. Didn't even have to pay tax or anything. So these are all free with 4 coupons. You guys would pay nothing. That's awesome. So definitely use those coupons up if you guys can do that. I ended up doing 3 separate transactions, and the reason is because I was doing the Schick deal. Now if you guys, and I'm still working on the coupon in 101 updated. I have one made for you guys, but I'm going to do an updated one. I just can't do it certain times. I got to wait for certain deals, so just let you guys know on this. But the Schick razor deal is if you spend 20, you get 5,000 points, where we have those $7 off of 2 printable coupons that were on coupons.com. You guys want to buy 4 of them. You guys want to use 2 $4 off coupons. You guys will end up paying $10 for all 4 razors. And so my store didn't have a lot of the razors on hand, so I just got like 1 of each. So I got 4 of these. You guys would end up paying, you guys would pay $10 for this, but then you guys get 5,000 points. Now this is a deal where you do not pay with points. You guys want to pay out of pocket, you guys do that deal. So you guys will end up getting for 5,000 points, which is equivalent to $5. So you get all these for $5 or $1.25 a piece. So if you guys are interested in that, a lot of you guys are telling me do the 5 off of 15. It doesn't work for me. So stop saying do the 5 off of 15. It doesn't work. You can give me instructions all you want. It does not work for me. I have it loaded to my account. It just doesn't come off. I paid money today. Doesn't come off. So with somebody hacking into my account, I've had problems. So I don't really care. So just wanted to share with you guys on that. I ended up doing the Trolli deal. Now these were $1.19 or $1.99. You guys would pay $1.99 for this, but then you guys get a $1.99 register reward. If you guys are new, you guys can do this deal again. You can only do 1 per transaction, but do not pay with this register reward. Okay, so if you guys want to do this deal again, just pay with the points or just pay $2 out of pocket and save this $1.99 register reward for the following week or something like that. But do not keep using your register rewards to pay with those, otherwise you will not get them. Now I went and got cereal because I haven't gotten cereal for a while, and my cereal is going low. So the cereal is $1.88. Now make sure you guys submit your receipts to the Kellogg's Family Rewards thing. You guys definitely want to do that because you guys can print off awesome coupons. Plus you guys get points. Like I have enough points I think for a $20 gift card. You guys can get other free things, but I like getting the e-gift cards. So $1.88. You guys want to use that 3 off of 5 coupon that is off of the Kellogg's Rewards program. You guys would just get all five boxes for $6.40. So $6.40 comes out to be $1.28. I think $1.28 for a box of cereal is a pretty good deal. So I ended up getting Fruit Loops. I got a Frosted Flakes. I got Rice Krispie bars. We are going on vacation in a week, and I am making Rice Krispie bars for the plane ride and all that stuff, and I got some more Fruit Loops. So those were all those that I got. And then I ended up getting Pop-Tarts because I'm really craving Pop-Tarts. Now, I usually eat them, sorry, this light's like super bright. I usually eat them for like a snack or something. Like, I just been craving Pop-Tarts a lot lately. And no, I am not pregnant. But these were $1.88. You guys want to use that 3 off of 5 coupon that you guys can print off the Kellogg's Family Rewards site. You guys would just get 5 of these for $6.40. That comes out to be $1.28 a piece, which I think could be a great deal. Yeah, like here, right here, you guys collect points. You just submit your receipt. So, got my favorite kind is the strawberry, even though I hate strawberries, but I had to go crazy over Pop-Tarts. And these don't expire till 2019, so had to stock up on Pop-Tarts. So, yes. Okay, you guys. Sorry, there's something in my eye. I ended up getting, sorry, I got my husband something. I ended up getting another, it's Now or Later's Black Forest or the Trolli gummies. So again, these are $1.99. Do not use that register reward that you guys got. Make sure you guys pay separate transactions. Now, I hate holding up lines when I'm at the registers. So one transaction, there's like people lined up, and I was only using 4 coupons. That was for the Hershey's. People are lining up. So I'm like, okay, I'll let them go in front of me. So then I went back and I did the Schick razors. Well, then my favorite cashier was on her break. She came back and we went to a different register. So when I did this the second time, my register reward didn't print off because the Catalina machine wasn't working on that machine, but it was working on the main one. I don't know, but you guys, if it doesn't print off for you guys, your store will give you 2,000 points equivalent to that. So wanted to share with you guys on that. And then this morning when I woke up, I went on Walgreens.com because there's like no new coupons really to print except like maybe a couple. And they had the 4 off of 2 Colgate Optic. They also had it on the toothbrushes, but I didn't see a very good deal with the toothbrushes yet. So these were $3.99. You want to use that 4 off of 2 digital coupon. You guys would just get these for $3.98. But then there's a deal where if you guys buy 2, you get 2,000 points. Comes out to be $1.98 or just 99 cents a piece. Now, I wouldn't say that's a great deal on toothpaste, but this counts towards beauty. So I'm like, you know what? I'll get it because I can. And that was my haul. I ended up getting these Kit Kat chocolate covered strawberry flavored Kit Kat bars. I didn't include them in my haul, but I'm really excited to try those. Actually, I should try them right now because I'm like starving. And these were on sale also too for $1. So I'm just like, okay, I gotta get one. Gotta get one because I've been eyeing these up, and like, well, CVS I've seen them, but I'm like, I don't want to spend the money at CVS, and these are pretty cheap, and I can't all of a sudden can't get this open. Let's see. Oh, it smells like those like cookies that are like pink and like brown and orange. That's what it smells like. Seriously, why is it so hard to open a freaking candy bar? Oh my goodness. Okay, let's try this out. It's good. You taste like the hint of strawberry, but it's good. And it's 92 degrees outside today, you guys. Oh my goodness, 92 degrees. Okay. Oh. Sorry, I just needed a snack. I needed a snack. Okay. So my first transaction was absolutely free because I just bought the Hershey's Colgate. My second transaction, it came to $8.09. That was with just the 4 razors and the trolleys. I got 5,000 points for the razors, and then I got 5,000 points because I hit beauty in that transaction. And then I also got a $1.99 register reward. So that came to be a $3.90 moneymaker. Now I did not pay with points in that transaction because if it says spend so much, you guys do not get points. So there's that. So if you guys ever get a situation like that, just pay with that in one transaction and then pay all your other deals in another transaction where you guys can get with points, because then you guys can kind of get them back again. And then the other transaction, it came to $14.47. I ended up getting 2,000 points back for the Colgate toothpaste, and then I got $1.99 back in a registry reward. So that total came to $10.48. If you guys add both or all 3 transactions, it came to $6.58 for 26 items. That comes out to be 25 cents a piece, which I'm pretty excited for getting a whole box of Pop-Tarts for 25 cents a piece. I'm pretty excited for what I got. I hope you guys enjoyed my Target haul. Now, please keep in mind, I will be doing a second haul this week. I'm also going to try to get the Walgreens booklet because a new booklet starts on Sunday the 3rd. And then I will not be doing a Walgreens haul for you guys next weekend. My store does not do early activation unless I want to go to the store at midnight, but I am not, because the stores that are open at midnight, stores are open 24 hours in my area are really sketchy. So I am not going to Walgreens at midnight. Just wanted to share with you guys on that. So be prepared. I will be showing you guys a second haul, and then there's the Walgreens booklet preview. A lot of you guys really enjoy doing those. And I will see you guys Tuesday for my next Walgreens haul. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye.